All right, guys, welcome in Friday the 13th. Going to do a recap here of the performance in the Trade Lab brought to you by the TradingRoom.com. And I'm going to showcase the performance that we've had based off of the last week, month, and yes, year to date. Before I do that, let's just showcase what's happening live here. This is the S&P. And something you haven't seen probably in quite a long time, maybe 12 years. That white dashed line, that would be limit up. And this white dashed line over here, that would be limit down. And the vertical lines you're seeing, well, these are the markers at midnight. Every 24 hours, we change our levels. They are dynamic, and the levels change every 24 hours. So what you're looking at on the screen from left to right would be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay? So, yeah, yesterday we had the limit down. Market opened even lower. And into the close, into the Asian session, went down to the depths. Saw the S&P down around the 2360 number. And in the European session, rallied up. And here in the U.S. session, got a bunch of bulls and bears flipping a coin, duking it out. Which way are we going? Well, as of right now, we're back up above that limit up marker. And we saw about a $4,000 drop on the S&P in 20 minutes this morning. I mean, it's really excessive in terms of volatility. So a lot of talking today and less trading, which is a good thing. And what else is a good thing is results here from the lab this week. About to showcase those for you right now. Go back to the 9th, Monday through today, and generate the summary. There you go, $935 is the result off of these trades here. You can get an idea of the profits, the losses. Pretty reasonable when you think about the excessive volatility that we've had this week inside of the trading. And I'm pretty happy to say that haven't had that many trades. In fact, if we look at a summary here, total number of trades has been 25. Average length of time in a trade, that's something I always like to talk about. 12 and a half minutes. It's a beautiful thing, right? Okay, so that's for the week. Let's look at month to date. Go to the second, generate a report there, and we're up 42.25. 42.25. And again, looking at that average duration in the market, 13 minutes. 13 minutes, and there's a quick look at some of the trades. So again, that's just for March. 42.25. This is before commissions, round turn commissions. Everything posted on the website is based off of a $4 round turn. And then the next thing I'll showcase is going to be year to date. So let's go punch that up and see what that gives us. Boom. About to clear 11,000, so 10,957. So let's talk about graphs. There's the equity curve, year to date. And the one that I think I'm actually pretty proud of is the weekly. Because it's not about, okay, what have you done for the year? Because a lot of people say, oh, yeah, you had one lucky trade. No, I didn't. There's the weekly performance. Yeah, last week, phenomenal. And then this week, right in line with some of the average weeks that we've had. Now think about this for a second. Take a picture of that and show all your friends or your significant other that is pretty upset about the 401ks right now and very uncertain what the hell to do in chaos type times like this. And here's what I'm loving about this. Everyone's working from home now. Whether you're working or not, you might be retired, you might be doing some part-time stuff, full-time stuff. A lot of people working from home. A lot of people looking for a side hustle, if you will. I hate to think of it that way, but a way to complement or supplement, rather, the income. And I'm only hanging out here for an hour. Sometimes I'm only in here for 20 to 30 minutes. But generally speaking, for an hour. Sometimes I will come back later in the afternoon and trade. But, you know, I'm not sitting here all day. I can tell you that. I got a full-time gig, doing other stuff, and fighting crime. So what I want to leave you guys with is the website where you can actually get more results and information. And that's going to be over at the tradingroom.com. And if you slide down to the bottom, you can learn about the tech, you can see the performance, and you can grab some of these recordings. And if you have any questions, some of you guys are ending your trial, and you're wondering, well, how much is it going to cost? I'll tell you what, man, not a lot. You can be a member, hang out with me in the morning, piggyback, watch, listen, learn, have a monthly membership. And if you want the indicators, we have a package for that too. What you need to do is reach out to me directly, and I'll point Tim to you. Tim will give you a call. He'll send you an email. You guys can tie up the purse strings and figure it out together. Very easy, very impressive what you'll find. And my email address would be eptradecoach@gmail.com. So on behalf of everybody here at the Trade Lab, brought to you by RiosQuant Trading Technology, Joe, myself, we all thank you very much for your time. Have a great weekend, guys. Best of luck. Stay safe, stay clean, wash them hands. We'll see you guys next week.